How to fix Samsung F36 keeps crashing. So let's start the video. First of all, close all the background app. After close all the background apps, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. After reset all settings, then go back and click on factory data reset and then click on reset. After factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.